Welcome to the Foundry by Forge College. Imagine you walk into an arcade, eager to play your favorite game. But to do it, you have to stand in a slow-moving line just to deposit your cash. Then you walk over to a second line to exchange that cash for tokens. Finally, you wait in a third line just to cash those tokens in for a prize. By the time you get to the front, the sun has practically set. Traditional finance often feels like that arcade. If you want to leverage your assets, you wait for a bank transfer to clear, wait for a new account approval, and then wait again for a trade to execute. The friction and time cost of doing things one by one can be immense. In decentralized finance, or DeFi, we don't have time for three separate lines. Instead of dragging ourselves from window to window, we use a single high-speed lever that executes every step at the same time. In our previous lesson, Designing Role-Based Access Control, we set up the security and established who is allowed in the building. With the bouncer firmly in place at the door, we are ready to step inside and execute these high-speed financial combo moves. True efficiency in DeFi comes from redesigning the process so that multiple financial actions happen as a single, unbroken event. Let's look at the first step of our leveraged flow, the deposit. Think of this as taking a valuable item, like a high-end watch, and locking it inside a secure vault. This is your collateral, the proof that you have the assets to back up your next move. Next is the borrow step. The protocol sees your watch is safely locked up and instantly issues you a loan in the form of digital tokens based on that watch's value. Finally, we reach the swap. You take those borrowed tokens and immediately trade them for a completely different asset that you actually want to hold. But here is the risk of doing this one by one. What happens if you successfully lock up your watch and take the loan, but the network hits a snag before you can finish the trade? You'd be stuck paying interest on a loan you never intended to keep as is. In a decentralized world, executing these steps separately creates a gap where things can go wrong. We need a way to ensure the whole plan works or nothing happens at all. On Solana, we solve this with an atomic transaction. Developers bundle the deposit, the borrow, and the swap into one single execution package. This package follows an all-or-nothing rule. Every step inside that block must succeed, or the entire transaction is rejected by the network. If that final swap fails, the system essentially hits a giant undo button. The loan is canceled, and your initial deposit stays in your wallet as if the attempt never happened. This serves as a massive safety net. It ensures you aren't left holding a loan you didn't want or losing access to your collateral because of a technical glitch midstream. Students in Forge College learning programs often see the logic click when they run this code for the first time. They realize they are orchestrating a precise sequence where the protocol itself enforces the safety of every move. Atomic transactions turn a complex, multi-step leverage strategy into a single, predictable execution. Since this all happens in a fraction of a second, how do we actually prove the lever worked correctly? We use account diffs. We verify success by looking at the blockchain's digital receipt to compare the wallet state before the lever was pulled and immediately after. The receipt captures a snapshot of your wallet right before execution. It records your starting point, like having zero debt, so there is a clear baseline. Then we look at the aftermath. The post balance shows the mathematical change, proving the collateral moved and the debt was issued exactly as planned. In Web3, you don't have to guess if the system worked. You can mathematically prove every shift in collateral and debt instantly through immutable data. You've now seen how to script a deposit, a borrow, and a swap into one verifiable atomic move on Solana. These atomic flows are the engines behind derivatives, financial tools that let people trade based on future price changes or earn interest. These systems rely on these exact sequences to stay balanced. As you move forward, keep your transaction receipts handy. You'll need those digital artifacts for our upcoming AI-assisted coding lab. This is just the beginning of your building journey. Visit forge.college to write your own atomic transactions, explore more Web3 topics, and start building the future of finance.